Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and this is the intraday video. We're gonna see what happened for Bitcoin, what it might happen in the next few hours. I would like to mention that this video is sponsored by MEXC, celebrating the 7 years with massive bonuses. You can find the link in the description below. So starting on the 1 hour chart, we have of course an A, B and a C potential toward the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished at of course an extended wave C 1.618. Another scenario of course is that you have a 1, 2, 3. Definitely this can be read in both case scenarios. However, the potential in this area goes for the ABC first again because of the wave 2 has touched the 886. We don't want to forget this. And your wave 1, it doesn't look very impulsive. It looks like 3 waves toward the upside. After this, we are looking of course at a potential here, 3 waves toward the upside rather than a wave 5. We took the high of course, but it doesn't look of course as an impulse. We would like to see a wave 5 as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 impulse. This was not given. Therefore, higher possibility in case we are bullish, of course, that you have an ABC, of course, correction to hit the 0.23. But however, it took right now the 886 without taking the low again. We were expecting at least an ABC, of course, as an expanding flat hitting the 1.618 and the 1.38. In this case scenario, of course, we are looking to another potential here that it might opens, of course. It can be as well a 3 ways toward the upside. You finish kind of like a truncated ABC and you're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 for higher prices. Now, basically, this is an impulse toward the downside. So if we want to consider that this is not finished yet, we might have here an A, B and a C. It can be, of course, in an ending diagonal, of course, to finish in between this perfect fib level, finishing a wave B, or basically it can be of course a wave 2 later on, because you're still looking for wave 5 to call a wave 2, and therefore this reduces so much the possibility for an impulse, and we are still looking at a potential correction. And that means of course you are still looking at A, B and a C toward the upside. Still wave B not finished yet, it has a button there, and I'm still looking to take the low since the 886 is taken. Now of course we can see as well the high is taken here. It can be another possibility that you have A, B, C, D and an E, a running triangle, and that because of course again the 886 taken and the low was not, and we see a move right now, a small move toward the upside, and that might open as well the scenario of a running triangle, and then of course one more leg for higher prices. So basically I'm still as high as possibility still looking to take the low, and then of course much more preferably the 1.38 in an ending diagonal. If not, of course, therefore we have to consider the triangle, and we see what's gonna happen after this. At KGT, we can see, of course, on the 5-minute chart that we have a bullish signal here, but of course that is no divergence with the bullish. We have as well no convergence with the bearish, meaning of course consolidation, giving higher potential, of course, to take the low again or to be in a triangle sideways. Yep, so that was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.